Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So OnePlus have become the animation champ by adopting the new gen animation system from ColorOS. With the latest update for OnePlus 12R, OnePlus have nailed the animation engine. In this video, we'll talk about every change, what OnePlus 12R got and how much animations are improved with this latest update. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have my OnePlus 12R which I have already updated to the latest build. Let me show you the software information first. If you go to About section, OxygenOS version is 14.0. If you go to version, the latest version which is 0.70 and it has this new animation engine. It comes with 5th April 2024 security patch and I received the OTA update. Here you can see a lot of changes and everything is layered to animations. There are few new implementation which I'll talk about them also. The update size was quite huge. You can see it was 1.30 GB. If you guys haven't received the OTA update, you can use the OxygenOS updater application. If you don't see the update here, just go to settings and make sure you enable advanced mode. After that, you should see the OTA update in the OxygenOS updater application and you can manually install it. And guys, now before moving ahead, we have 87% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And I can also confirm with this new animation engine, animations are even better than Samsung's One UI 6.1. They are so fluid, you can feel every touch and that transition. So you can see the changelogs, new smooth animations, then you have new touch control experience, and at last some new add-ons which we'll talk about them. First, let's talk about the lock screen changes. On the lock screen now they have added this wallpaper zoom animation and that gradual brightness transition when the screen is turned on or turned off, which you can see here. You guys let us know in the comment section below what you guys have to say about such transitions and the animations which are currently present on OnePlus 12R. Also, you'll see a soft effect while unlocking. Icons and clock disappear very softly. I'll show you guys once again and there we go. Wallpaper zoom in effect have also been added whenever you open or close any application, which you can see. For example, I'm opening and closing the Play Store application and you can see that zoom in and zoom out effect with the wallpaper which we have applied on a device. OnePlus also adds this bouncy effect when sliding to the bottom, I mean the notification panel or the quick setting panel, which brings more natural and delicate visual effects. With this update, we also got the revamped quick setting tiles, or you can say quick setting panel. Previously, we only had these horizontal tiles. Now, there are two vertical tiles. One lets you control the device volume and the second one is the brightness slider. And it also has the auto brightness toggle. You just tap on the icon which lets you turn on or off auto brightness toggle. On the previous builds, we had this horizontal brightness slider towards the bottom side of quick setting tiles. And how many of you guys appreciate this change? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, another change if you see here in the quick setting tiles or the notification panel, previously we had this white background which had slight transparency like the newer one, but now the white color have gone. It's only left with the slight transparency and a very good blur effect. You guys can also see the same change in the app drawer also. Instead of this white background, we have a complete transparent background with pretty nice blur effect. We did a similar video of OnePlus 10 Pro which also got this redesigned quick setting panel, and a lot of users were asking about the music tile, how does it look. So let me show you here on OnePlus 12R. If I play any music, the music tile appears towards the left top corner and the horizontal tiles of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth moves below. So this is the change what you'll see once you start playing music. Also, animations are optimized whenever you enter or exit the global search engine. Now we have these smooth transitions while entering or exit. There's also new clock style added which can be found in the launcher settings. If you go scroll down under lock screen, you can see a clock style. Tapping on it, previously we had this classic. Now there's new clock style added which is called minimalistic, and let me show you how does it look. I know most users want lock screen customization. Do not worry, either with 14.1 or OxygenOS 15 will for sure get the lock screen customizations on OnePlus smartphones. And now they have also added a transition animation. So whenever we swipe in from one side of the screen to exit an app before it starts, which you can see here, and it feels too fluid. And another transition animation they have added. So whenever you swipe from one side of the screen to go back to the previous page before the page is even opened. You can also see a different transition animation when swiping up to exit an app in the landscape mode. Also, another change which I forgot to mention, and that's layered to the large folder. I'll also show you guys on OnePlus 12 and you can clearly see a difference in the large folder. Previously we had the access of 9 applications, and to access other applications we had to swipe towards the left hand side side. Now we have access of 8 applications, but towards the bottom right you can see there are 4 applications stacked together. Tapping on it will open up the entire folder and you can access all the applications. So this is the another change what you'll see. Tapping and swiping on the home screen is now a lot faster, more responsive and pretty stable compared to previous build. And the same thing goes in the recents page also. Also another change what you'll see, and that's layer 2 floating windows. So for example, if I open this application which is file manager in the floating windows, previously we had the option to minimize the windows either from the bottom right corner or bottom left corner. But now you can change the size by dragging it from the bottom side. And you can also swipe up to close the floating windows. And another change which OnePlus haven't mentioned in the change logs for OnePlus 12R, and that's layer 2 the screen lock pattern. So if you are using a pattern, now you'll see a new toggle called show track. By default it will be enabled. If you disable this and then use the pattern on your device, the drawing will not be seen while unlocking the device. So guys, these are all the changes, and trust me, if you receive this new animation engine on your OnePlus smartphones, you'll go crazy seeing these animations which OnePlus have implemented. And trust me, they are a lot better even than Samsung's One UI 6.1. I'll still be doing an in-depth review of this build after testing it for a day or two, and before the review, I'll create a community post. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you have subscribed and turn on the notification. So whenever I create a community post, you guys get a notification about it. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.